So hey friends, in this video we are gonna see how to connect your fast WordPress site. So first of all, when you log in for the first time, you will get a section that is called Getting Started, and here it's asking us to connect your website. Click on that Connect Website. Then it will redirect you to the link website page where you can link your WordPress website. And in this page, as you can see, there are two options. For first one is the manual one, which is by default REST API connection, and the right side one is connect with the plugin option. So we are gonna view all these two methods, how to connect your fast WordPress website via REST API method and as well as the plugin method. So let me first show you how to connect this with plugin. So first of all, you need to download it. Okay, as you can see, the plugin has already been downloaded. So then you need to follow the steps one by one. So first of all, here as you can see, here is my WordPress site. So then you need to go to the plugin, add new, then click on upload plugin, choose file, StoryScraper, select locate the downloaded file and click on it and click on install now. Okay, so as you can see, I have already installed this, so I am just click on replace current with previous one. Okay, next go to the install plugins. So as you can see, the StoryScraper.io, which is the official WordPress plugin for StoryScraper, so has been already successful installed on our WordPress site. So in the left side of the WordPress nav bar, you can find the option for StoryScraper. Click on it. Okay, so once you clicked on that, you will get these options. In order to connect your website, you need to enter your StoryScraper username or email ID as well as the StoryScraper account's password, and you can add your AdSense publisher ID and AdSload code here too. Okay, so let's see it. So I have selected the account. Okay, so for now I am just adding my StoryScraper account here. Okay, so as you can see, the site has been connected with StoryScraper tool. So let us confirm it. Here there is no website. Let's refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, the website has been successfully linked. So now let me show you how you can connect your website with the manual method. So let me first unlink it. You can also unlink it from here too. Click on this unlink button and it will be unlinked successfully. Okay, so next let me refresh it. As you can see, we have unlinked the website here. Okay, so now we need to check how to connect the WordPress site via REST API connection. Okay, so as you can see, if you click on this here username, click on this I button. If you click on this I button, it will give you more information about what to enter in this field or not. Okay, so as you can see, if you don't understand what is user application password, then click on this I button and it will tell you everything about it. Okay, so we need to create this password first, then we can easily fill out this form. So first of all, you need to in order to create user application password, you need to go to the user's profile, then click on this scroll down a little bit, and under the application password section you can find the option. You need to name this application password any random name. For now, let's see. Okay, I have named this StoryScraper. Then sorry, I think I have another. Okay, no problem. Let me rename it. Yeah, so once you name it and click on this add new application password, it will give you a temporary user application password. You need to copy it, then go to your link website page, then under this user application password you need to paste it, and you need to paste your web URL like this. And if you have any logo URL, then you can paste here. Currently I don't have, so I am leaving it as blank. Then click under this username field. You need to put the WordPress username here. Okay, so if you have any AdSense account active, then you can click on yes, and it will ask you for another two fields, that is publisher ID and ad slot code. You can add it here too. Okay, so for now I am clicking it no, because we will set this AdSense settings under the web storage plugin setting in WordPress. Okay, so for now let me click on no and click on link web. So once you click on the link web, it will show as a successful message, site connected via REST API, and also you can view the link site name under this linked websites table. Okay, so you can link multiple sites according to your plan. And also if you have any doubts or any problems you face, you can also follow this guide via tutorial here too. Okay, that's all for this video. So next I will teach you how to integrate your ChatGPT.